The property we're going to show you today isn't for everybody, but it is near everything. Maybe it's a midday movie, dinner at C-Night Steakhouse, or a Sunday brunch at Mimosa House. Or maybe it's more casual dining like the South Fork Grille, McCooney, or you just want to cook at home and stop at the Nugget. All of this in this one shopping center. This is for someone who wants to downshift their pace of life, not their lifestyle. And here we are at Heritage 55 and up community. This property, 7015 La Cumbre Drive in Dorado Hills, has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,440 square feet. And you can see has a outdoor and indoor dining area. Plenty of space for your friends and family to come over and enjoy all that this property and community has to offer. So if you or someone you know is looking to enjoy this kind of a lifestyle, comment below or share this with them.